What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Chris from NIA Body Kits, and today Danielle will be installing the new NIA side skirts on this Lexus GSF. So first, I want to tell you a little bit about the new NIA sides. All our kits are made right here in the United States in our Miami factory. We make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS holds its own weight and won't warp over time. We offer them in many finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine. It might have some scratches, but they're ready for wraps or for the DIYers that know how to paint. We also offer them in primer, which is prepped and sprayed with a 2K primer and it's ready for paint. We offer them painted, which you can get color matched to the color of your vehicle, or you can get a contrast color like gloss black, satin black, matte black, or now an F gray, which is similar to the color of your front grille. Lastly, you can get it hydro dipped, which is the method we use to apply a carbon fiber printed design to our kits and spray with a heavy layer of clear coat. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We do not copy and paste the same design onto all our vehicles. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We pre-drill the holes and include all the hardware for an easy installation. And lastly, all our front splitters are reinforced on the bottom, making them strong enough to withstand your common road rash, parking blocks, and daily road encounters. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you'll receive all your support screws. For this installation, you will need a clip remover or a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for an easier installation. When doing this installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack it up, make sure to use jack stands for safety. In this case, we'll be using the angle driver and we're going to creep up underneath the car. First, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, making sure to get rid of any rocks or debris stuck underneath. After the car has been wiped down, we want to remove the factory splash guard underneath. This is when you get the clip remover and you're going to remove the clip holding up the splash guard. Now that the clip is removed, next you will get the 10mm socket and remove the factory bolt on the bottom. Next you will use a 10mm socket and remove the factory bolt in between the wheel and the wheel well. Once the splash guard is removed, this is when we are going to put the factory bolts back in there to hold the liner in place. Now that the rear splash guard is removed, you are going to get the factory clip and put it through the pre-drilled hole to mount up the side skirt. If the clip is on, this is when you get the support screws that we provided to you and you present them through the pre-drilled holes on the side skirt, and you're going to self-tap into your bumper. If you're going to use a drill, make sure you only drill them halfway so that you don't over-tighten and strip the plastic. Once all the screws are in halfway, get the stubby Phillips screwdriver to hand tighten the screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them and strip the bumper. Once all the screws are tight, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many more products that we have for the Lexus GSF. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks again.